Tired of your carefully crafted Mailerlite emails ending up lost in the Promotions tab abyss? I'm going to quickly walk you through a few crucial steps to boost your inbox placement and land those emails where they belong in the primary inbox. First, authentication is your best friend. Head over to your Mailerlite account settings and find the domain authentication section. You'll want to set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records for your sending domain. This proves to email providers that you are who you say you are, drastically improving deliverability. Next, let's talk content. Avoid overly promotional language, excessive use of images, and spam trigger words like free, discount, or guarantee. Keep your emails concise, valuable, and focused on building relationships with your subscribers. Regularly monitor your email analytics. Pay close attention to open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. A high bounce rate can negatively impact your sender reputation, so clean your list regularly. Segment your audience and personalize your emails. Sending relevant content to the right people increases engagement and signals to email providers that your emails are valuable. Finally, encourage your subscribers to add your email address to their contacts or reply to your emails. This is a strong signal to email providers that your emails are wanted. Implement these tips and you'll be well on your way to conquering the inbox and rescuing your emails from the dreaded Promotions tab. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mailerlite tips.